A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a dramatic turn of events, President Donald Trump is seeking to expedite the deposition of media mogul Rupert Murdoch in a high-stakes defamation lawsuit against the Wall Street Journal. The suit arises from a controversial birthday greeting allegedly penned by Trump for Jeffrey Epstein, the late financier whose connections to high-profile figures have sparked ongoing scrutiny. Trump's legal team is pushing for Murdoch, now 94, to testify within 15 days, citing concerns about his health and the possibility that he may not be available for a future trial. This legal maneuver comes amidst renewed questions surrounding Trump's past friendship with Epstein, which has followed him even during his recent golfing trip to Scotland. The president has publicly distanced himself from Epstein, claiming he once declined an invitation to the disgraced financier's infamous private island, Little St. James, which has become synonymous with the sex trafficking allegations against Epstein and his associate, Ghislaine Maxwell. Epstein was found dead in his prison cell in 2019, shortly after his arrest on federal charges of sex trafficking minors. Maxwell, meanwhile, was sentenced to 20 years in prison for her role in Epstein's crimes and is currently appealing her conviction, arguing that her prosecution was unjust due to a non-prosecution agreement made with Epstein in 2007. This agreement, often referred to as a sweetheart deal, allegedly promised immunity to Epstein and his associates, a claim that Maxwell's defense is now using in her appeal to the Supreme Court. Trump's $10 billion defamation lawsuit targets not only the Wall Street Journal and Murdoch, but also the parent company Dow Jones and the journalists involved in the report. The president's move to expedite Murdoch's deposition highlights the urgency of the case, as Trump seeks to clear his name amidst allegations that he endorsed Epstein's behavior through the birthday message. Meanwhile, Speaker of the House Mike Johnson faced criticism for allowing the House to adjourn early for August recess, as Democrats demanded a vote on Maxwell's appeal for relief from her sentence. Maxwell's legal team argues that the non-prosecution agreement should extend to her, as it was designed to protect co-conspirators, even if they were not explicitly named. The Justice Department has countered that the agreement was limited to Florida and does not apply to Maxwell's case in New York. As the legal battles unfold, both Trump and Maxwell remain under intense scrutiny, with their fates intertwined in a complex web of allegations, legal agreements, and high-profile connections. The implications of these cases extend far beyond the courtroom, raising questions about accountability and justice in high-profile criminal cases. As the nation watches, the outcomes of these legal proceedings could shape the political landscape and public perception of those involved. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.